fresh rubber, baby. Fresh. These the platinums. Kind of like those, no? It's definitely next sets I'm gonna probably get. But new tires, you know, some new rubber. Can never go wrong, baby. Can never go wrong. You know, I always fuck with Nextness, bro. That's been my choice of tire for shit 10 plus years now, man. But yeah, it's a really good tire. I really like it. Really sturdy, really holds up. Yeah, that's it. Alright, finally happened, team. See my shit up top, all black. My Michimoto shit finally bit the dust, so I'm thinking the upper one went, the lower one is gonna go soon. I'll probably just end up ordering another one for their mom's birthday, so you know, I'm gonna slide down to VA. Can't be having this problem. When all this shit was leaking, you can clearly see all the smoke. So I'm getting all the air out of this shit right now. Let this shit run for a minute. Should be good. Throw these clothes together, hit the road, alright? Get some footage. I already know what time it is, baby. Turn up. All the way. All the way. All the way, baby. Let's go. You already know, team. Top of the morning. Did some light tinkering last night. We adjusted the back just to raise it a little bit. A little bit better handling as far as more tread actually touching the pavement. Touched a few things. Little switch up. Did the power steering, so we're gonna see if that's good. Take the car for a little drive. I'll give y'all that once over, but as of right now, just wanted to start y'all off. ColdStart, baby. so y'all already know the drill is. Let's get it popping. We need parts. Drag mom out here. Let's see if they got what we looking for. Take the tire, see what else we got. Hey, what do you know? Brake caliper. Let's go get funky. That's what we need. See if there's anything else we might need. Sheesh. 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 Let's have some fun. Hey, squadron. Caliper looking decent. Looking wavy. Got these on the hook. Looking wavy. Just call it a wrap. Get this up on the hook. Everything greased. Do a swap. Let's go. Shredded. Alright, team. So you see we hanging. O2 sensor is down. I put a little spacer on there, but I'm still getting that P0430, which is letting me know it's the joint to the front, which is up over here. So let me slide over this way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work this angle joint on here and see if I can't get it in a fashion with a few twists to get it in there and maybe point it off to the side or whatnot, what have you. So now that'll give it more distance from the header and we should be good, because this one worked. Like, this one was perfectly fine. I was getting a P0420. I put this on for a spacer. That shit was perfect. Worked out perfectly fine. But this one, maybe because it's too close. Let me see. Yeah, you see that's the airflow, then the O2. So it still might be giving it the same read. Let me see if I can get some space on it, but that's definitely how we're gonna clear up this P0420, P0430. So your P0430 is going to be towards the front. That should be bank 2, catalytic converter towards the front. P0420 should be the rear. That should be closest to the firewall, bank 1. So this is taking care of that bank 1. We're trying to get bank 2. Let's go, team. All right, team. So I have my angle joint in. I actually had to take off this little ass bracket here to give it some space to turn right in here. The bracket came from right there. I'm thinking that's a good spot to have my O2 turned out. This one is turned out to the side like that. The only thing is with this angle is turned out and it's gonna be like facing downward, kind of speak. Like, you see how that? So hopefully that doesn't mess with anything, and we should be good. We should be good. Let's put the O2 sensor back in here and clean this shit up, reset the codes, and hopefully we should be down to 1 code, team. 1 code. Let's go. Word, team. So after all of that, only 2 codes. They're repeating, but it's only 2 codes, team. This joint talking about the oxygen sensor. And then we got this joint here, still fighting this. I might see what's shaking. Reorder the VVT solenoid and retry that. But that's where we are right now, down to 2 codes. Looking really good.